To Zoe from Papa Mike and Nanny. Oh, that's not going to do you any good. Do this one. Bless you. There you go. Cut.
Jordan, you see that little cardboard box there? Can we have it? I'm going to put the good ribbons so you want to see. Oh, pretty. Thank you. What? Oh! It's okay. So turn it over.
You can put the scissors down and just rip it.
Rip. You're going to see that one. Let's see the other one you're seeing. Is that a transformer too?
That is maybe.
It's a book!
What book is it?
Here.
That will make me nightmares.
Eloise! Oh, what a wonderful book for Zoe! Say thank you, Papa Mike. Thank you, Nanny.